Chef Smith here with Heaven's Healthy Kitchen. I am going to show you guys today how to properly cut your herbs. What I have here is cilantro. And so here's what you want to do. Alright, you grab your herb, stack it up. Now it's very tedious, but this is how you properly cut your herbs. Alright, now once you kind of stacked it, you want to grab it and kind of roll it up as best as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Alright. Now you're going to cut it. Just move your finger back as you get close. And so the purpose of this is that you don't damage, if that even makes sense, that you don't damage the herb, right? Because you know, sometimes when you cut, you see the little green or whatever color that herb is. It's all on the cutting board. And as you can see here, that's not there. This, okay? And that's how you cut herbs. All right. Okay, and that's been how to cut herbs. I hope that you guys have a good morning, evening, night, whatever the time may be where you are. Have a great time. This has been Chef Smith, chefing with Chef Smith. Eat to live and live what? Well.